Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is having a very green day, a very green week, a very green month, and also a very green year. Bitcoin dropped to as low as $15,500. We started 2023 on a very bright note. Bitcoin was trading around $16,000 on the 1st of 2023. And ever since then, we have been pumping to higher prices. Yes, there have been a lot of dips along the way. Yes, there have been a lot of fall along the way. We have seen market participants expecting 20,000, 12,000. But right now, Bitcoin currently trades above $30,000. So where is Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we see Bitcoin rally towards $50,000 before the end of the year? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has popped to new highs. Bitcoin dominance sits at 52%. We're currently in Bitcoin season. How long will Bitcoin continue pumping? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. We're seeing some signs of life in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has been chunking up. Bitcoin is currently trading above $30,000. We have seen a lot of fall in the market. Market participants were expecting Bitcoin to go back to $20,000, Bitcoin to go back to $12,000. But through all the fall, through all the chaos, Bitcoin finally arrived at $30,000 in the 10th month of 2023. It has been a very crazy year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks very, very bearish if you hear anybody talking about the price of Bitcoin over the last 1 year. But in reality, Bitcoin is up 96.68%. Bitcoin at some point in time, 2023, was up more than 100%. And before the end of the week, I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin trading even as high as $35,000. So after Bitcoin left $15,000, what happened next? We saw Bitcoin having a wonderful rally starting the year on a very bright note, getting to as high as $25,000. That was when we knew that $25,000 level is going to prove very, very difficult. Bitcoin got rejected at the $25,000 level in February. We had a dip towards $20,000 in March, but that dip was short-lived. And ever since Bitcoin went above $25,000, we have not seen Bitcoin trade below that price range. Bitcoin has just been ranging. We spent more than 180 days from the 13th of March 2023, where Bitcoin got to that $25,000 level. Right now, we've spent around 217 days in that range. The whole market has been waiting for Bitcoin. The whole crypto market has been slowly going to gobbling town as Bitcoin has been holding strength. Bitcoin has been showing its sign of strength. Right now, we're in Bitcoin season, which means over the last 90 days, Bitcoin was performing better than more than 75% of the altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is up 9.9% in the last 90 days. A lot of altcoins are down bad. We have altcoins that are down 20%. Some of them are down as high as 26% over the last 90 days. We expect Bitcoin to continue this pump to the upside. Key levels where I expect to see Bitcoin start facing resistance as we continue this wonderful year. Bitcoin might face resistance around that $32,000 level. I believe that's where the chaos will start. I believe that's where every bear will capitulate and believe we're going to higher prices. If you're a bull, you have been shouting Bitcoin to the moon ever since we as low as $15,500. But the bears have been expecting lower prices even when Bitcoin came back to as low as $25,100. That was in early September. The market was in extreme fear. We're seeing people expecting Bitcoin to dump back to $20,000, maybe $10,000. But you know, the market always does opposite of what the general market participants are expecting. We expected $20,000 and Bitcoin rallied all the way to $30,000. And before the end of the year, these are key levels where Bitcoin might continue facing resistance apart from the $32,000 level. We can easily see Bitcoin have a quick pump to the upside. You know, when this Bitcoin rally happens, they happen very, very quickly. That $5,000 level will be an area of interest for a lot of traders. We saw Bitcoin forming a little support at that level in the past. And I will not be shocked if Bitcoin just surprises the whole of the cryptocurrency market, blasting above $35,000, making a sweet straight dart towards $40,000. From where Bitcoin is trading right now, for us to rally towards $40,000, Bitcoin will need to rally up by 35%. And guys, I'm here to tell you that when Bitcoin is pumping, the final phase of the pump is always the craziest. The final phase of the rally is where everybody will agree that we're bullish, we're all going to the moon, there's no way we're going back to $20,000, and that's when you know the rally is coming to an end. When you see altcoins pumping to higher prices, for example, you see Bitcoin getting to as high as $40,000, the altcoin market is going crazy, meme coins are going crazy, the total crypto market cap maybe sits at $2 trillion. That might be the end of the road, but right now, Bitcoin is leading the way. Bitcoin is rallying to higher prices, currently trading above $30,000. We've even seen Bitcoin get to as high as $31,000 in the last 1 week. Bitcoin currently trades around $30,000. We have one Bitcoin in our model portfolio. Bitcoin has a market cap of $596 billion, and Bitcoin has seen a 22% increase in its 24-hour trading volume. Bitcoin 24-hour trading volume has gotten up to as high as $16 billion. Total supply for Bitcoin right now sits at 19.5 million coins. The maximum supply ever is going to be 21 million coins. And Bitcoin's fully diluted market cap sits at $641 billion. Why will you want to get some Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency, meaning all transactions happen directly between equal independent network participants without the need of any intermediary or permits to facilitate them. Bitcoin was created, according to Nakamoto's own words, to allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. And if you want to get some Bitcoin for yourself, you can get Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on BitTop, on KuCoin, on Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance has been chunking up. Bitcoin dominance has gotten to new highs in 2023. Bitcoin dominance went from as low as 39%, getting to as high as 52.61% in 2023. But guys, I believe Bitcoin's pump in the market is coming to an end. If we see Bitcoin rallying towards $40,000, that will be a very good plot to take some profits off the table. A lot of smart market participants that bought Bitcoin at $15,000. When we get to that $40,000 level, they would have been up a lot. They would have been up more than 150% on their investment. At that $40,000 level, you want to pay attention to what Bitcoin will be doing, because best case scenario, we see Bitcoin get to as high as $46,000, which means those smart investors that got Bitcoin at $15,000 will be up 200%. And that's the highest I see Bitcoin going before the end of the year. What will Bitcoin do in 2024? That's a story for another day. We have to do what? We have to just pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing right now in front of us. And right now, Bitcoin has been rallying since the start of the year. And I believe we can easily see higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. But if Bitcoin dominance starts dumping to gobbling town, that might spell trouble for Bitcoin. That might see the altcoin market taking over, where altcoins will be pumping to higher prices and Bitcoin might take a chill pill. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think Bitcoin will do in the next few days and the next few weeks? How high do you see Bitcoin going before the end of the year? Are you still buying some Bitcoin? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.